This video is for those that would like to defer any Alx program and how you can go about it. If I asked you to defer, you will probably say no, but some people have two other options than to defer. For one, I know you're enjoying the program and you really wish you're done with it and get your dream job. I rejoice with you. But for those who want to defer, watch this video. You will learn these. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and if you have any questions about Alx, you can drop your comments. For those who don't know what Alx is, there is a video at the end of this defer video that explains what Alx program is all about and how to enroll. Enjoy the video.
And I'm here to discuss a few things about a popular program you may have heard of, which is called ALX.
What's going on? What happened? Why are you asking for a deferral? Could you tell me why that is?
Okay, actually, normally I'm not supposed to defer, but the way the activities are on me right now will lead me to defer the admission. So the reason why I'm deferring is because of the activities. Currently, um, I have my own business I'm running. Do you get? So, and my business is demanding a lot from me, especially my customers. They are demanding a lot from me, when they ask you to do a project and you can't meet up with the deadline and, you have other things to do. So I can't meet up with, if I can't meet up with them, then I won't be able to, if I can meet up with my customers, then definitely I might not be able to meet up with ALX. Then if I can meet up with ALX, I won't be able to meet up with my customers. And they won't like that. I me myself won't like that for my grade in ALX as well. So I just have to let something go. So for now, I might not be able to. So you might ask me that what about before now? Before now I was actually very free. I wasn't getting much, I was free for myself. I was able to read the manuals, watch the videos that were provided and do the tasks. But as at now, it's just getting too much. It's getting too much. So I just said that the last thing for me to do is to defer.
Okay. You said you're running your own business. What kind of business are you running?
Okay, it's a digital marketing business. So we do web design,
okay.
content marketing, and social media management and the rest of it, graphics and so. Then coaching as well.
Okay. Um, so when do you think? So deferral, you know that you'll have to come back after some time. That's how deferrals actually work.
Yeah.
So when do you think you will be available again to be free and do the projects?
That's another big question for me. So okay. Can I is it possible I can reply this message later?
Yeah, so you will find me on Slack by this name.
Let me screenshot
Okay.
it.
Also, you can find me using the C10 mentor hashtag.
Okay, I should use hashtag mentor, Abi.
No, at symbol
Okay.
followed by C10 mentor.
Sorry, let me type it, see if I correct.
C10 mentor.
Okay, at C10.
So you can find my name from that at symbol.
So at C10 hashtag
yeah,
mentor.
Or what you can do is you can just say at my name, the name that you see here on
Okay, maybe I should use that. Okay, I've screenshotted the name, so I'll reach you through the name. So is there any other thing?
No, so reach out to me on Slack whenever you feel like you have the answer to that question, when you will be available again. Reach out to me on Slack and tell me when that's going to be. The thing is, I'm not actually able to defer you no more further than, let's see, for section 2, that is. no more further than July the 3rd, 2023. Okay.
Okay, July.
That's if
3rd.
I am going to defer you to section 2 only.
Okay, so it would
So on July 7, you'll be joining court 14. If you want to defer to July 7th, you'll be joining court 14 and you'll be starting section 2 with them.
So the section 2, what's section 2, please?
Or sprint 2.
Okay, sprint 2.
Yeah.
Okay, let me see how my, because I need to give him space. I can't come back and still be having the same issue I'm having, or else I'll be my mark will be very low, less than 80, and I'll be kicked out, which I won't want. So I will get back to you on Slack on this. So maybe even
Okay.
before then, I can, I might be free. I don't know how it goes, or I can just let down some other things and just focus on this. So let me reason and see how it goes. Then I will surely get back to you on it.
Sure, no problem.
Okay. Thank you so much.
No problem.
All
Have a
right.
great day. Bye.
Okay. Thank you.
Hi guys, welcome. My name is Nawal Kazim, and I'm here to discuss a few things about a popular program you may have heard of, which is called ALX. So I'll tell you some information you need to know about ALX and why you should or you shouldn't join the program. So just listen to the following information I'm about to give you. So the first question given to me here is, what is ALX? You start. So okay, ALX is an African leadership program. It's a majorly software. They really focus on this software engineering program. You understand? They also have some other programs included. So they are in partnership with Overton School, and the program is being sponsored by Mastercard Foundation. You understand? For 12 months. So it's a 12-month intensive software engineering program. You understand? So that is ALX. So the next thing we're going to go. Okay, how did I get to know about ALX? Okay. I like to go online to do some tasks, you understand, to source for some programs. So that's how I came about ALX, you understand. I came about ALX from Google. I saw the ads on Facebook, I saw the ads on LinkedIn. So that's how I came about ALX. This program, I joined this program because I love technology, you understand. As I've said before, I'm a tech person. I'm a technopreneur. Let me just put it that way. I'm a website design. I design with WordPress, so I want to further my knowledge. I have this kind of interest for developing something that can something new, something innovative that can assist people maybe in their daily activities, or that can improve people's status of income or financial living. You understand? Like a lot of softwares, there are some softwares that you use for your daily task. There's a software that are just games. There's a software, a lot of software that has database. So I have interest in, okay, I can do this kind of stuff. So how do I go about it? And a lot of these programs are very expensive. They are very, very expensive. You understand? If you go online to search for some programs, their tuition fee is very high. But this program is free. These are one of the things I joy. People like free things that you get value. You understand? So my journey so far on ALX since then I've joined. Now we are today. Just we've spent about 2 weeks now. So I'm in cohort 9. Yeah, I joined the cohort 9. Presently I'm in cohort 9. Cohort 9, yeah, actually. So this is week 2, and let me tell you this: the first week onboarding, the second week you get into task. You get into task, and those tasks I can tell you If you can't stand on your feet and go to the resources, you're going to flop because their grading system is okay. Don't take things too hard on yourself. If you don't know any of the stuff, ask people. You understand? So that's what I did as well. I also teach people. I also ask people. So that's one of the things I've gone so far. That's how my journey has been on this ALX program. You understand? So ALX program, how many hours does it require? Since it's a remote program, can you beat it? 70 hours per week? That's about 10 hours per day. But actually, let me tell you, if you dedicate 10 hours per day, we have time for other stuffs you have been doing. But actually, no. No, that time is stipulated for the time you can require on your own to study. Actually, I don't spend up to 10 hours per day on ALS program. This is how they do. They drop 2 projects for you in every day, so you have to complete that project before the deadline. You grab so the lecture rooms and everything is remotely. Nobody is gonna tell you, oh, you are late. Why are you late? You understand? So that's how it is. So that's the number of hours you're going to spend. You understand? So is there anything odd about ALX? But I'm going to tell you ALX is hard. You understand? Understand first before you join the program. But when you join the program, if it takes things too easy, like you will lose focus, bro. You will lose focus. You understand? So you just have to take things, believe it is hard, and follow the right steps. You understand? It's all about software engineering. You got to know some programs. You understand? We started with Git. We started with Vim, Emacs, down to Git. Yeah, down to Git. You understand? So it's all about programming. Programming is easy and might be hard in some levels. Understand? You can also go out to source for some resources. ALX will just give you some steps and the best resources to study with and load you with a bunch of projects you have to complete. When I mean bunch, I don't mean in bulk, but a project is a bunch of projects, let me tell you. So positive side of ALX. ALX will build you to become a strong software developer. Full stack developer ALX is gonna build you for that. You can check past cohorts testimonies about ALX and that will tell you how positive this program is. Understand? So thank you. Thanks for listening to this. I really appreciate your time. You're welcome.